Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video, and today I'm going to be doing my slime collection 2019. So the first slime that I'm going to be showing you, just to let you know, not all of my slimes are named. So this one I call Banana Split, and I like this one a lot. This one's like a really good slime. I put some glitter in it. This one's a jiggly slime. Yeah. And it's really crunchy. It's pretty flaky. And it's really glossy. So yeah. Okay, let's go on to the next slime. This one's, like I said, kind of sticky. Let's go on to the next. This one's like a really small one. So this one's like a really good one. It's a clear slime. There it is. It's like really pretty. And it's so thick. Like, I don't even know how she made this slime. Like, it's so good. Look how clear this is. Like, whoa. It's pretty clicky. And I love the texture so much. So yeah, this one is good as well. So let's go on to the next one. Third slime that I'm going to be showing you is this one. This one was a slime that I mixed a little bit of each of my slimes, and this is how it turned out. It's pretty hard because it's basically a slime smoothie, and it's not so good at stretching. Yeah. And it has foam beads on it, and it's not pokey either. Let's go on to the next slime. So the next slime that I want to show you is this one, which I made this one in a slime video with my sister. You should go check it out. And yeah, this is the slime that I made. It got pretty hard, but it's actually kind of pretty. And it's a clear slime. Like I said, you guys should go check out that video that I did with my sister. And it's pretty stretchy, but doesn't break. And it has blue glitter in it. But look at the blue glitter. You guys see that little blue glitter? I never put that in there. And none of my slimes have that type of. This next one is that, like I told you that this one I made in that video, and this one is the one that my sister made. So yeah, she made this one. This is hers that she made in that video. And it's really pretty, but she doesn't like pink, so she isn't that happy. And it's pretty clicky. And it has really pretty holographic glitter in it. And it's not so stretchy, but I cannot make a bubble. So yeah, this is like really pretty though. And the glitter goes in your hands. Excuse you. Okay. The next one that I'm going to be showing you is this slime, which I call it strawberry milk slime, and it's a jiggly slime as well. I know I have a lot of jiggly slimes. It's pink and it has foam beads on top. You guys heard that? Oh my gosh, this has such a good texture. And look how glossy this is, guys. Oh my. This is so glossy. Oh, you guys can see there. Sorry. So yeah, this is like so glossy. Do you guys see this? Do you see how glossy this is? It's not so big. Ooh, good bubble right there. So, yeah. And this one's really good at is stretchiness as well. Slime flip. Not so good. Slime flip. Slime flip. Not so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Alright. That's the strawberry milk slime. Let's go on to the next one. This next one is like the best. It's like a really, really light purple. Like you can't even see it has purple. And this is gonna be hard to get out. So guys, I got it out. I got it all out. Look. That's not gonna be anything. Yeah, this is like a really thick slime. You guys see that? Really good. I'm gonna try to make a bubble with this one. I think I am. Look at that clicking. Look. That is so good right now. So let's go on to the next one. This next one is a white, I call it white milk. It's a basic slime and it's jiggly as well. Suddenly it has a phone bead in it. I don't know why, but let's just leave it in there. This is like a really good jiggly slime, just like that. And it's really glossy as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like so glossy. Oh, that bubble was huge. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Oh my gosh, this slime is like so good at making bubbles. And it's like glossy bubbles. It's really good at poking as well. Guys, look how big this bubble is. I don't know why I did that. That's so cringe. Alright. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. Alright, let's put this big. So the next one that I'm going to be showing you is this galaxy slime that I made. So, and it's a clear base slime with black food coloring and glitter in it. And this one's a really good slime as well. It's just really small, so you can't really do anything with it. But yeah. But it's really good at swirling, and it's scented coconut. And one of my signs are scented blue raspberry, and strawberry. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. This is a small slime, but it works for me. The next one that I'm going to be showing you is this slime. It's a foam slime, and I call it green crunchy slime. And I love this slime so much. But I love all of my slimes, to be honest. Look how crunchy when you stretch it. It's so crunchy when you stretch it. gonna try to make like a really crunchy crunch. I don't think that made sense, but it's gonna make a really crunchy swirl. I'm gonna try to make a really crunchy swirl. Maybe that's enough. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Look at that. Alright, this was a clear slime, and I put some really pretty orange glitter on it. And it's like so pretty when it clears up. Look how pretty this is. Like, you guys need to see this. You like in the camera, like, oh, you guys can see it. Yeah, this is like so pretty. It's incredible. Look how clear this is. Look at this. Wow. Look how clear, like, what? You guys seen how I did bubble? Look how clear this is. You see that? Oh my gosh. Oh my. I love this slime. This is like a really pretty slime. And until I make more bubbles on it. And I really don't want to do that. So. I just love its pokes as well. So the next slime that I'm going to be showing you is the other clear slime. It's a basic clear slime. Look how clear this is. Like, what? Like, it looks like I don't have anything in it. Like, there's nothing in there, guys. Nothing in there. So, look how pretty this is. Even though it's like clear, look how that. Oh my. Look how gorgeous this is. What? Like, what? Oh, look at the bottom. Gorgeous, people. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, people. This is gorgeous right here. Like, kind of sticky though, but it's still real pretty. Like, look at this. Now that's clear right there. That's crystal clear right there. We gotta go on to the next slime. This next slime is a metallic pink slime with foliage in it. It's so metallic. And this is like such a good slime right now. It's so metallic. There it is. Look how metallic that is. This is like, I love this slime as well. I love all of my slimes. This is gorgeous as well right here. When I make swirls, it's like so pretty. I'll show you. Let's go on to the next slime. Yeah. This is the last clear slime. To let you know. This slime is easy to get out, so that's super easy. There we go. There we go. And there we go. And there. Sorry. Oh yeah, and this one's called Pink Rainbow because of the pink slime and the rainbow, which are the crunched Oreos in it. Which is like so good. It has such a good texture as well. Oh my god, it's perfect. Look how pretty this is. This used to be a really clear slime, but then I added a little bit of pink glitter slime. Pink glitter, I mean. And it made this gorgeous thing. Oh my god, the Orbeez are literally falling. Oh yeah. It's really pretty. Hi! Let's put away Pink Rainbow away. The next one that I'm going to be showing you, this one doesn't have a name either. It's a butter slime. It's a butter slime. And it's really dry, pretty hard. And this used to be like such good butter slime. Now it's not, it's just like a really hard butter slime. Yeah, this is not so good slime. It's kind of good at stretching. Yeah, not so good either. Look at this. Let's go into the next one. Hello, alright, that's it. Yeah. This next one that I'm going to be showing you is Peach. I call it Peach. This one's a good slime, actually. It's actually a pretty good slime. This is a butter slime as well. It's like really good. It has a really good texture. And it spreads really good. And the stretching is really good. And when it stretches, it makes a really good design. And when you make a swirl, it's like so pretty. Slime flip. Ay. Slime flip. Ay. Slime flip. Ay. That is so pretty. Look at that. I love when I have butter slime and it makes such a good swirl. This is like a really good slime. So good. Let's go to the next slime. Where's the back? Alright. Now I'm gonna close this. This next one that I have is I call it Money Green. And this one's a really good slime as well. This one's kind of hard to get out. But I got this guy. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. This is a really good slime. So yeah, this is Money Green. And this one has a really good texture as well. I put a lot of lotion in this one and it makes such a good texture. It's like really thick as well. Really thick slime as well. And yeah. It's like really good. So yeah. So let's put this back in the bag. This last slime is, I call it Crunchy Water Splash. This is the last one, and I put Orbeez in it, which I shouldn't even put this because now it goes everywhere. No! Oh my gosh. No. It's a really good slime. But the Orbeez do not fit in it. It has glitter on it. It has glitter and it's a metallic blue. Now, I'm not really going to play with the slime that much because all the Orbeez are falling. So, and it's gonna make a mess. So. And when I go like this as well, like makes a really pretty design. Yeah, I'm gonna put this sign back away, but it looks so pretty though. Alright. Alright. Let's just put the ornaments back up there. Squish them and get the container because it's just ridiculous. So yeah, those are all my signs. Thank you guys for watching my sign collection 2019, and please subscribe and hit that bell right on the side, and then like it and put down in the comments what I should do next.